Italy. Beyond its iconic landmarks lies a world of culinary delights. From Tuscany to Sicily, Italy offers a symphony of flavors. Join us as we dive into the heart of Italian cuisine, discovering its secrets. Our adventure begins now. At the core of Italian gastronomy lies simplicity and fresh ingredients. Italians believe the best dishes allow natural flavors to shine. Generations-old recipes preserve the authenticity of Italian food. Seasonal ingredients mean menus change throughout the year. Join us as we explore iconic dishes that capture hearts worldwide. Our journey begins in Naples, the birthplace of pizza. In 1889, Queen Margherita of Savoy requested local fare. Pizzaiolo Raffaele Esposito presented her with a pizza topped with tomatoes, mozzarella, and basil. The Queen loved it, and Pizza Margherita was born. Today, Neapolitan pizza is a symbol of Italian culture, recognized by UNESCO. Neapolitan pizza is defined by its unique preparation. The dough, made from 4 ingredients, rises slowly for hours. San Marzano tomatoes and mozzarella cheese are key. Fresh basil and a wood-fired oven complete the process. The result is a pizza that's soft, pliable, and bursting with flavor. Beyond Margherita, Neapolitan pizza offers endless variations. From marinara to capricciosa, there's a pizza for every palate. Each pizza embodies simplicity, freshness, and tradition. Our journey continues to Rome, exploring pasta carbonara. Get ready to savor this global culinary sensation. Our journey takes us to Rome for pasta carbonara. This creamy pasta dish holds a special place in Roman hearts. Carbonara's history is recent, emerging post-World War II. It quickly became a staple in Roman cuisine. Today, it's a testament to Italian culinary ingenuity. The beauty of pasta carbonara lies in its simplicity. Key ingredients: pasta, guanciale, eggs, pecorino romano, black pepper. The choice of pasta and guanciale is essential. Eggs and cheese create the creamy sauce. The perfect carbonara balances heat and timing. The first forkful of carbonara is an explosion of flavors. Al dente pasta, creamy sauce, and savory guanciale harmonize. Freshly ground black pepper adds a subtle kick. It's a dish that celebrates simplicity and flavor. Our journey continues to Lombardy for risotto alla milanese. In Milan, we encounter risotto alla milanese. This golden-hued dish holds a special place in Milanese cuisine. Saffron, prized for its color and flavor, is key. Risotto alla milanese symbolizes Milan's rich culinary history. Today, it captivates diners with its creamy texture. Risotto alla milanese requires patience and attention. Slow addition of warm broth creates a creamy texture. Sautéed onions, toasted rice, and saffron are essential. Gradual broth addition ensures even cooking. The result is a creamy, flavorful masterpiece. Risotto alla milanese serves as a canvas for creativity. Bone marrow or ossobuco can add richness. Vegetarian options include mushrooms or asparagus. The key is harmonizing with the delicate saffron flavor. Our adventure continues to Bologna for lasagna bolognese. Our culinary voyage through Italy now transports us to the heart of Emilia-Romagna, a region renowned for its rich culinary heritage and hearty, flavorful dishes. Here, in the charming city of Bologna, amidst medieval towers and bustling markets, we encounter a dish that embodies the soul of Italian comfort food: lasagna bolognese. This iconic baked pasta dish, with its layers of fresh pasta, rich ragu, creamy bechamel sauce, and melted cheese, is a testament to the Italian culinary philosophy of cucina povera, where simple, humble ingredients are transformed into a symphony of flavors and textures. Lasagna, in its various forms, has ancient origins, dating back to the Roman Empire. However, it was in Bologna that lasagna truly found its culinary home, evolving over centuries into the iconic dish we know and love today. The first written record of lasagna, resembling a modern-day version, appeared in a 14th century cookbook from Naples, suggesting that the dish had already gained popularity throughout Italy. Lasagna bolognese, as the name suggests, features a rich and flavorful meat sauce known as ragu bolognese, a slow-cooked masterpiece made with ground beef, pancetta, tomatoes, onions, carrots, celery, and a touch of red wine. This labor of love simmers for hours, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a sauce that is both hearty and complex. Combined with layers of fresh egg pasta, creamy bechamel sauce, and a generous sprinkling of Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, lasagna bolognese is a true celebration of Italian culinary craftsmanship, a dish that has graced family tables and special occasions for generations. Join us as we delve into the heart of this beloved dish, uncovering the secrets of its preparation and the reasons behind its enduring popularity. Creating a perfect lasagna bolognese is a labor of love, a testament to the Italian culinary philosophy of slow cooking and attention to detail. It all begins with the ragu bolognese, the heart and soul of the dish. Traditionally, the ragu is prepared with a combination of ground beef, pancetta, and sometimes veal or pork, creating a depth of flavor that is both rich and savory. The meat is browned slowly in olive oil, allowing it to caramelize and develop a deep, savory flavor. Then, finely chopped onions, carrots, and celery, known as sofrito, are added to the pot, creating a fragrant base for the sauce. Crushed tomatoes, preferably San Marzano tomatoes known for their sweetness and low acidity, are added to the pot along with a touch of red wine, which adds complexity and depth to the sauce. The ragu is then left to simmer gently for several hours, allowing the flavors to meld and deepen, creating a sauce that is both complex and comforting. The low and slow cooking process allows the collagen in the meat to break down, resulting in a tender and flavorful sauce that coats each layer of pasta beautifully. While the ragu simmers, the bechamel sauce is prepared, a simple yet essential component that adds a touch of richness and creaminess to the lasagna. Butter is melted in a saucepan, and flour is whisked in, creating a roux that forms the base of the sauce. Milk is gradually whisked into the roux, creating a smooth, velvety sauce. A pinch of nutmeg or a bay leaf can be added for a subtle aromatic complexity. Lasagna bolognese, while rooted in tradition, is a dish that embraces creativity and regional variations. Each family and region in Italy boasts its own unique interpretation of this classic dish, reflecting local ingredients, culinary traditions, and personal preferences. In some regions, the ragu may include ground pork or sausage, adding a different dimension of flavor to the sauce. Others may add a splash of milk or cream to the ragu, creating a richer, silkier texture. The choice of cheese can also vary, with some opting for a blend of Parmigiano Reggiano and mozzarella for a creamier, more decadent lasagna. Beyond the traditional meat-based lasagna, vegetarian versions abound, showcasing the bounty of Italy's fresh produce. Spinach and ricotta lasagna, for instance, features layers of fresh spinach, creamy ricotta cheese, and Parmigiano Reggiano, creating a lighter yet equally satisfying dish. Mushroom lasagna, with its earthy flavors and meaty texture, is another popular vegetarian option. No matter the variation, lasagna bolognese remains a testament to the enduring appeal of Italian comfort food, a dish that brings people together around the table to share in its warmth, heartiness, and undeniable deliciousness. Our culinary journey through Italy now takes us from the savory delights of Bologna to the enchanting canals of Venice, where we will conclude our adventure with a taste of Italy's beloved dessert, tiramisu. Our culinary journey through Italy culminates in the enchanting city of Venice, a place where romance permeates the air, gondolas glide through canals, and culinary delights await at every turn. Here, amidst the splendor of St. Mark's Square and the Rialto Bridge, we encounter a dessert that embodies the essence of Venetian indulgence, tiramisu. This iconic dessert, with its layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers, creamy mascarpone custard, and a dusting of cocoa powder, is a symphony of flavors and textures that has captured the hearts and palates of dessert enthusiasts worldwide. Tiramisu, which translates to pick me up or cheer me up in Italian, is a relatively recent addition to the Italian culinary repertoire, with its origins dating back to the 1960s or 1970s. While its exact origins remain shrouded in some debate, most food historians agree that tiramisu emerged in the Veneto region, with Venice often credited as its birthplace. One popular legend attributes the creation of tiramisu to Le Becchery, a renowned restaurant in Venice. According to this tale, the restaurant's chef created the dessert in the 1960s as a way to use up leftover ladyfingers and espresso. He named it tiramisu, which in Venetian dialect means pick me up, referring to the dessert's energizing properties thanks to the coffee and sugar. Another theory suggests that tiramisu originated in Treviso, a city near Venice, where it was served as an energizing treat in brothels. Regardless of its exact origins, tiramisu quickly gained popularity throughout Italy and beyond, becoming a staple dessert on restaurant menus and a beloved treat enjoyed in homes. The beauty of tiramisu lies in its simplicity and the harmonious combination of just a few key ingredients. Ladyfingers, also known as Savoiardi biscuits, are the foundation of this iconic dessert. These light, airy cookies, with their delicate sweetness and ability to absorb liquid without becoming soggy, provide the perfect base for the coffee and mascarpone custard. Espresso, the lifeblood of Italy, is the key to infusing tiramisu with its signature coffee flavor. Strong, freshly brewed espresso is used to quickly dip the ladyfingers, adding a hint of bitterness that balances the sweetness of the mascarpone custard. Some recipes call for the addition of masala, wine, or rum to the espresso, adding a layer of complexity to the flavor profile. Mascarpone cheese, a luxuriously rich and creamy Italian cheese, forms the heart of the tiramisu custard. The mascarpone is gently whisked with sugar and egg yolks, creating a velvety smooth custard that is both decadent and light. Some recipes call for the addition of whipped egg whites to the mascarpone mixture, adding an airy lightness to the custard. Once the ladyfingers have been dipped in the espresso mixture and the mascarpone custard is prepared, the assembly begins. A layer of soaked ladyfingers is arranged in the bottom of a dish, followed by a layer of mascarpone custard. This process is repeated, creating alternating layers of coffee-soaked ladyfingers and creamy custard. While the classic tiramisu recipe remains a timeless favorite, variations on this beloved dessert abound. Chefs and home cooks alike have embraced the dessert's adaptability, incorporating seasonal ingredients, different flavors, and creative presentations to create their own unique interpretations. One popular variation involves the addition of fruit to the tiramisu. Strawberries, raspberries, or peaches, for instance, can be layered between the ladyfingers and mascarpone custard, adding a burst of freshness and a touch of acidity that complements the richness of the dessert. Chocolate lovers can indulge in tiramisu with layers of chocolate shavings or a drizzle of chocolate sauce, adding an extra layer of indulgence. For those seeking a more intense coffee flavor, espresso powder can be dusted over each layer of mascarpone custard, intensifying the coffee notes and adding a visual appeal to the dessert. Some variations even incorporate liqueurs like amaretto or frangelico, adding a boozy kick to the traditional tiramisu. Whether enjoyed in its classic form or reimagined with a modern twist, tiramisu remains a testament to the creativity and artistry of Italian dessert making. It's a dessert that embodies the Italian passion for indulgence, celebrating the harmonious marriage of flavors, textures, and presentation. As our culinary journey through Italy comes to a close, we invite you to savor the sweetness of tiramisu and the memories of the iconic dishes we have explored together. Our culinary adventure through Italy has taken us from the bustling pizzerias of Naples to the charming trattorias of Rome, from the elegant restaurants of Milan to the cozy kitchens of Bologna, and finally to the enchanting canals of Venice. We've savored the flavors of iconic dishes like Neapolitan pizza, pasta carbonara, risotto alla Milanese, lasagna bolognese, and tiramisu. Each dish a testament to Italy's rich culinary heritage and the passion that goes into its food. More than just a collection of recipes, Italian cuisine is a reflection of the country's history, culture, and way of life. It's about using fresh seasonal ingredients, honoring traditional techniques, and savoring the simple pleasures of good food shared with loved ones. From the north to the south, each region of Italy boasts its unique culinary traditions, shaped by local ingredients, culinary influences, and generations-old recipes passed down through families. We encourage you to embrace the spirit of Italian cooking in your own kitchen. Seek out fresh, high-quality ingredients, experiment with traditional recipes, and don't be afraid to add your personal touch. Whether you're preparing a simple plate of pasta, a comforting bowl of risotto, or a decadent slice of tiramisu, let the flavors of Italy transport you to a place of culinary delight. As we bid farewell to this culinary journey, may the memories of these iconic dishes linger on your palate, inspiring you to explore the world of Italian cuisine and create your own culinary adventures. Buon appetito!